Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram cache. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you have some bugs or some mistakes on your Instagram application, all you need to do is to clear your cache. And I'm going to show you how to do this in a few steps. So first of all you need to go back to your home page and then open your iPhone settings. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down a little bit and find General Settings. Here it is. And then the third one option, iPhone Storage, right up here. Then you will see all your applications. You need to scroll down a little bit and find Instagram. Here it is. And then you will see two different options. You need to click on the first one option, Offload App. Then Offload App again. And then after a few seconds you will see the new one option, Reinstall App. You need to click on that one button. And then you need to wait a little bit. And then after reinstallation you can go back to your Instagram application and then your cache will be cleared. And that's all, and that's how to clear Instagram cache. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.